Welcome back. In today's video, we are diving deep into troubleshooting some common Windows error codes 0x80070002, 0x80070003, and 0x80244402F. So let's crack the Windows. First of all, let's run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Search and type Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. Go to Other Troubleshooters. Here is the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to find and fix any update problems automatically. Let's ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for Windows 11. Head over to the Microsoft website and confirm that your device meets the CPU, RAM, and storage requirements. If your system falls short, you may need to upgrade your hardware or consider alternative options. Go to Device Manager. Expand the Security Devices category. Look for an entry related to Trusted Platform Module, or TPM. Check if TPM is enabled and working properly. A corrupted Windows Update cache can hamper the upgrade process. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the following commands. Type netstop WUA user v and press enter. Now type netstop crypt s versus century and press enter. Now type netstop bits and press enter. Type netstop MSI server and press enter. Navigate to the software distribution folder in Windows and delete all the contents. Return to command prompt and run netstart WUA user v. Netstart crypt s versus century. Netstart bits. And netstart MSI server commands to restart the services. Change DNS servers. Make sure your computer's DNS settings are configured correctly, as they can affect your internet connection and the ability to access certain websites. Go to Search and type Network. Choose View Network Connections. If you're connected via Ethernet, double-click on Change Adapter Options. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, and then Change Adapter Options. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Click Properties, and enter these DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8 Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Upgrades can be demanding on storage. Let's see if that's the issue. Open Storage in your Settings app. Click on your main drive, usually C. Here, you can see a breakdown of your storage usage. If the upgrade is stuck due to lack of space, you'll need to free some up. Consider deleting temporary files, uninstalling unused applications, or even moving large files to another drive. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's ensure your Windows 11 system is free from any underlying issues that might be causing the upgrade installation to stall. Open Command Prompt with Administrative Privileges. This will open Command Prompt with administrative privileges, allowing us to run the necessary commands. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press enter. DISM, online, cleanup image, restore health. This command also given in description below. Just copy and run from there. This command instructs DISM to scan the Windows image for any corruption and attempt to repair it. The process may take some time, so please be patient and let it complete. Run SFC scan. Once the DISM scan is finished, we'll proceed with running an SFC scan. In the same command prompt window, type the following command and press enter. SFC scan now. The system file checker will now scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them. Again, this process may take a while depending on your system's performance. After completing the scans, it's recommended to restart your computer to ensure any repairs are applied successfully. And there you have it. With these expert troubleshooting steps, you'll be breezing through the Windows 11 upgrade process in no time. Until next time, happy computing.